Have I got a really good video to share with you? How to make Sicilian pesto, which is a totally different to normal pesto. It has got almonds in it, basil in it, garlic in it, and tomatoes in it. Pecorino formaggio in it. So come on over to my YouTube channel and watch me make the Sicilian pesto. This is my version of making pesto because Sicilians, they have the almonds in the pesto. They don't put anything else except for the almonds. And the almonds come from the side of the Trapani area, the province of Trapani. And they were from the Liguria section that they were brought down. And Sicily has over 200 types of almonds. Did you know that? So it's a delicious pesto with breadcrumbs and fried capers on top.